Hello everyone, welcome to Pandey Guruji YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about the difference between the rollback, commit and the save point. And this is the very important interview question. You will get always repeatable this type of the question, and for the practically point of view, this is a very useful if you're working on the transactional database, or also if you're working on the data warehouse as well. So basically, we frequently use this concept in the real-time rollback, commit, and the save point. So I will discuss in the detail what is the exact functionality of this rollback, commit, and save point, and how we can use practically. So before starting, if you are new to my channel and if you not subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, and also you can enroll the SQL training material. The link is given in the video description. So let's start with the first understand the what is the rollback, what is the commit, and what is the save point here. So basically, the commit is to use to save the changes. So whatever you update done. So like for example, I have this table, and if you updating any type of the information on this table, it how you can save these changes into the database. So basically, this is the called the save commit. The second one is the rollback. Whatever you change, update is done. Okay, so like for example, if you have this table, and if you mistake you updated some type of the salary information, or the some type of the middle name, any of the column, and if you want to revert back with the original data, so this is the called the rollback here. So rollback is nothing but the undo. And the last one is the save point. Save point within the group of transactions. So if you create the save point, and after the save point, if you roll back the transaction, the rollback only done after the save point only. Okay, so before save point, whatever your data is saved, that will not revert back. So let's start with the some practical example, so you will better understand here. So now you can see employee key, we have the middle name is R, and I'm going to update with the middle name equal to ABC. So I'm writing the syntax update in dim employee set middle name equal to ABC, and I'm hard coding with the employee key. So this will be not impact for the other employee key. And once you execute the statement, you can see and run the code, you can see the middle name is got updated with the ABC. So by default, commit will be performed, but what will be happen for the rollback here? So now let's see the example of the I'm updating with the employee ID 2 with the ABC, and I updated, but this is my error. I don't want to update ABC. I want to revert back with the original data. So now you can see this got updated, but I want to revert back of this data. So I'm performing the rollback here. So you will get an error. So rollback transaction request has no corresponding begin transaction. So a rollback will only work if you have the begin transaction. So just you can copy this error message text from the error message, and you can just place this begin transaction before. And let's see, now I'm going to update with the employee ID 3 with the ABC. Now you can see this table is got updated, okay, by using the begin transaction. So transaction is open, so this table got locked. So whenever the transaction is open, either you can perform the commit, or either you can perform the rollback. So now if you try to access this table here, it table got locked. Now you can place the execute button, so data will be not available. Okay, the reason is this table got locked with this transaction. So but if you want to see this data within this window only, just press the select star from table name here, select star from table name here. Okay, so you can see in this window only that this ABC is got updated for 3, but its data is not actually the save into the database. So if you want to roll back, okay, you can perform the rollback. So now you can see the rollback is performed. this data got started. So now the is reverted with the original value null. But after the update, okay, after the update, if you feel that this update is correct, I don't want to roll back, you need to be perform the commit. Okay, so just you can select the commit here, okay, and run the code here. So this data got saved. Now you can see now you can see this database is data is updated as a ABC. Okay, so this is the difference between the commit and the rollback. Okay, so I hope understand what is the major difference between the commit and rollback. So rollback will be not work without begin transaction, and by default we have the commit. If you perform the begin transaction, either you need to perform the commit or rollback, otherwise the table got locked. Now the coming to the save point. The save point we discussed that we can create the save point, and after the save point, if that rollback will perform, the data will be not rolled back. Okay, so now suppose I have this. So you can see here I have this save transaction created. So let's discuss without save point what will be happen. So I'm committed this line, and I'm inserting some of the value. Okay, so if you I'm also committing this line also, and this line also. Okay, so I'm you opening the begin transaction, and you can see I'm inserting two value here. Okay, so let me first create this table here. So now table got created, and now I'm opening this transaction and inserting two value into the record into table. So now you can see in this table we have two data. Okay, so now the transaction is open. Now I'm going to perform some type of the action, that is the rollback. Okay, so I'm performing the rollback here. So if you perform the rollback, what will be happen? What will be happen? You can see in this table, all the data will be rolled back, whatever the data is inserted. But if you perform the something save point here, okay. So if you perform the save point here, so now you can see this table got we have the created. Okay, again, and I'm opening the save point here. Okay, so this save point, and also we roll back and the commit as well. Okay, so now if you perform this transaction here, and if you see the table of the data, we creating the save point after the first record. Okay, and after the save point created, we inserting again one second record, and then roll back, and then commit as well. Okay, so now you can see I have one record is available. Okay, so this is the major advantage of the save point, where you created the save point. After the save point, whatever data is there, that will be rolled back, and before the save point, whatever data is got inserted, that will be not rolled back. So this is the huge cases of the save point. So I hope you understand the difference between the commit, rollback, and the save point. And this is a very important concept, and you will always get this interview question if you are attending the interview related to the SQL. And if you have any question, if you have any doubt, you can ask into the video comment. And uh, if you not subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and please share to everyone. So thank you so much for the watching this video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.